We're very proud of this initiative. We believe in STEM education. We believe in the Codeavour mission. And we're excited about being a catalyst in STEM education in Qatar. And that's why we were very excited about getting involved in this event. We think Codeavour brings great value. And of course, we're very enthusiastic about continuing the partnership and growing this next year and for years beyond. I think we realize now that we're having a hard time engaging students in our classes, and that it is no longer enough to just use textbooks and to use PowerPoint presentations, that we need to focus our learning on project-based learning, on emphasize the role of science, technology, math, and engineering in the work that we do in the classes. It is this kind of work and connecting that to real-world problems that's going to make learning meaningful, and that's going to engage the students and make them interested in what we have to offer them in our schools and our classrooms. What struck me is just the immense knowledge, interest, creativity, and innovation in the solution and the projects they are presenting. It's been quite an inspiration. This has been hard work for us to bring Codeavour 6.0 International to Doha, but today, looking at the projects and talking to the students has made it absolutely worth it, and we're very excited for the future.